In the next few minutes, we are going to learn that how we can filter CMS results based on your IP location. So we have a demo here. There is a link. You can also test this link on your browser. So this will filter results with respect to location. So we have content for 4 locations. So I'm visiting this link from Pakistan, so I can only see the blog posts that are specific for Pakistan. So there is a visible country code there. So let's try to switch our location using VPN, and then let's see what are the results. So let's switch the country to United States. So IP address has been assigned of United States. So let's refresh the page. And we have results for the people visiting from United States. So it took some time, but we can further optimize the code so that we get the results immediately. But at least we get the results. So similarly, when we switch our country to, let's say that Turkey. So now the IP address of Turkey has been assigned. It's assigning the IP address. IP address has been assigned. So let's refresh the page again. And now we can only see the CMS items that have Turkey as a country. So similar goes with Estonia. So I added 4 different countries, and you can definitely add more in your list. So how we are doing this? Let's go to the Webflow build. We have a CMS collection there. So there are 20 blog items, and we have items from different countries. So we have Turkey, United States, Estonia, and Pakistan. So you can add more in your list. Let's open one of them. So I have a country, and I have linked another CMS collection list, country, and inside the country list, I have also the country code there. So it's USTREEPK. So let's see how it's filtering the CMS items. So we have a script. I can share the script with you so that you can just copy and you can use the script by just changing the class names. The first important thing is that you have to get the IP token. IP token, API token from ipinfo.io. So let's visit this link. So it will actually get the IP information, and it can display the results. So this IP is from Pakistan, and it can display the city, it can display the region. So you can also filter results with respect to the city. You can filter results with respect to your region. If you talk about United States, you can filter with states, and you can filter results with postal code, with time zone, and there are some other options as well. So we have the country code as well. So let's open this link inside another browser where we are using the VPN. So now you can see the information is coming from the IP that we have changed using the VPN. So now the country code is TR. So we are using this country code to filter out the results. And for ipinfo.io, you just have to get the API token. You have to get this token and paste your API token here. This is the first step. The second step is you have to, so this is the class of blog item. Let me show you that which class is this. So this is the CMS list, and this is the CMS collection list. This is the collection list wrapper, and this is the CMS item. So you just have to give it a class name and use this class name, and just replace your class name with this class name. And the second thing is, so there is a message. So if I'm visiting this link, so let's go to the NordVPN and let's switch to a country that is not in our list. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Okay, and let's refresh the page again. It is taking too much time. We can optimize the code, we can optimize the script. Okay, so now we have a message there that no blog items available for your country. So where this is coming from, this is coming from, so I have created another block and there is a message. So we are displaying this div block when someone is visiting the page from a country that is not in our list. So we are displaying the message using the ID. So you can just copy this ID and you have to assign this ID to this block. So let's go to the settings and there we have the ID. And the next and the last step will be that you have to give country text a name, the text having the country name, and use that class name inside this script at this specific position. So where it is here. So this is a text containing the country name, and yes, just use this class name and put it here. So you can use the similar class name or you can have a different, so it should be here. So this is how it's working. If you want to filter results with respect to region, if you want to filter results with respect to city, then definitely you have to make some tweaks inside this code. So we are filtering this results with country code. So there will be a function. There will be this one is a function that we are calling at the bottom, that get user country code. So where this country code we are actually getting from the IP. So if you want to change it to something else, so you have to check where to make the change. So I think you just have to check inside the ipinfo.io API that what should I add here so that I can change the information. So yes, this is the script that you can use to filter results based on the IP location, and you can use it for different purposes. I hope this video will help you in your project.